This Amana AC, the problem was the green light. I diagnosed pushing these two together, the plus and the minus, and pushing 2 times code, and it gave me the F6 code. So I replaced the jello thermostat. That's for the jello thermostat, okay? And the light went out. I did the diagnose again once I replaced the jello thermostat. But now what I find out, if I move the speed to auto or low, it doesn't work. The fan doesn't work, so something is wrong probably with the motherboard. I'm going to replace the motherboard, see if that's a problem. I think that's a problem. It has to be either that one. That one has to be the motherboard that has some problem. So if I move it to high, that's why this AC was having problems working, because when people move it to low or to auto, the compressor was working, but the fan was not blowing, and it was just not cooling the room. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the motherboard. I have an extra motherboard right here. I have a bunch of them, and that should fix it. Let me do that. Here I have the new motherboard. I just have some extras for whenever like the compressor stop working or something else. I just save the motherboards. I'm gonna use it now. Right here, this is the high fan. This is the low fan. Okay, so this one probably something wrong, some damage with the motherboard. So I'm going to swap. I'm just gonna remove these 4 screws on the motherboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna move one at a time. The red one, you're gonna move it to the red one. The blue one, it says right here is labeled blue, is going to the blue. The yellow is going to the yellow, and then start right here on top. I always start from the right. The red one, the other red one, fan low, fan high, compressor, voltage, high heater, heater 2, heater 1, line, and these two right here. It's easy to just replace those wires. Just do one at a time. First remove the screws, and then just move the wires one at a time to the new motherboard. Okay, let me replace it, and then we'll see. Okay, I already put this is the new motherboard. This is the old motherboard. I'm just swapping the cables. I just need, I'm halfway. I'm just going to remove this one. This one is the heater 2. Just to read the labels, make sure it's the same motherboard, because some motherboards are different. So I'm gonna heater 2. We'll put it on heater 2. Heater 1. This is the heater 1. We put it on heater 1. This is the line 1. But when you do this at the beginning, make sure you unplug always. When you're doing this, unplug the power. Line 1, we got the line 1 right here, and then we got the last 2 right here. So we're gonna do the same. You take the one from top and put the one, and the new one, just put that one on top. It's hard to do it with one hand, but we're doing it. We got this one right here, and then we just got one more. That's the last one. Okay, and this is the old one. So something is wrong. It doesn't look like anything is damaged right here, but something right here. This one probably this one right here. It's the low fan is the one that's not working. So this one has to be wrong. Okay, okay, I got the last one. Okay, now you just need to put this one right here. Where I put it? Okay, I need to put this in, and I need to plug the power. Let me put this in. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second so I can put this one in. Okay, let's see. Okay, I already plug it back. I put the display back on. I already plugged it to the power. No green light, so everything is good. Now, what we're gonna do now that we swap everything, we're going to reset it just to be safe. You're gonna turn this switch, the main switch, off. Then we're gonna hold these two together, the heat and cold together, okay? To reset it until you see the light coming back on again. We hold that one, we don't let go, and then at the same time you're gonna pull the switch to on while you hold the heat and cold, okay? So those two together. I pull the switch and just wait for a light to come on. Okay, you see the light right here, then just let it go. And the video seems like it's flickering, but it's not flickering. This happened in the video. Okay, now it's on. We're gonna turn cool. All right, it's back and working again. You see, it's in auto. Before it was not doing anything on auto. Now it test the low. Low is working. So you see the fan is working. We put it on high. We got low, and we got auto. So everything is working. So the problem was the motherboard. Something was damaged right here with this motherboard. The low fan was not working, and when it was set in auto, it was not working at all. But now it's working. The compressor kick on right away. We got no diagnosed red green light. So now everything is working perfect. Now we got the fan working. Let's turn off this one. We're just gonna put the fan. We're just gonna test the fan by itself. We're gonna wait for this cycle to finish. Because that was the problem. The problem was that the fan was only working on high. It was not working on low or on auto. Sometimes also it's gonna work in low and it's not gonna work on high. So that's going to be the motherboard. Okay, let's go constant fan right here. Let's see, it's on low. On low is working. On high is working. Perfect. So the problem was